Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Today, we went to the Amherst train show, the 50th anniversary, and we got all of this stuff. This is $90 worth of Thomas merchandise, and I'm going to show it to you all today. First, let's start with the wooden railway. First, we have Peter Sam, the old-style version with the round funnel. Well, why couldn't they make a square funnel like they did in the series? Next up, we have Coldy with the super inaccurate small face and that face. Next up is the Northwestern brake fan. I really like this one. See, like, it has that font on the bottom, and I don't think I have any that has that font, but yeah, I do now. Next up, we have the hand car, and the reason I got this is because I had this, the character card, for a while, but I didn't have this for some reason because my parents' friends, they were just giving stuff away, and they just gave me a character card for Percy and the hand car, and I had Percy but not the hand car, but now I do have the hand car. And finally, and probably the most rarest one, the Sodor Bay tugboat. This is like really old and doesn't look like anything from Thomas, but yeah, that's just like how Learning Curve Roy Wilson made it. And it also has this little nub on the end where if you have the Sodor Bay cargo ship, which is even more hard to find, you can put a rubber band on it and pull it along. Next up, we have the 2011 version of Butch. This is still in the package, as you can clearly see because you're not blind because you watch our videos. Now I have both versions of Butch. And finally, and probably the most expensive thing that we got, the new in box Thomas Comes to Breakfast. And I actually bought this one because I wanted to. So let's open it. Let's see. The flap. Open up. Piece of cardboard. We have this stuff. The certificate. 1 in 50,000. Signed by Sir Topple Hat. We have the character card of Thomas Comes to Breakfast. Yep. And we have a wooden railway sheet. Pamphlet thingy. Pamphlet from... what year is it? 2003. 2003. Don't you just miss these? Yeah. Stop that. Keep that. Yes. The wooden railway. Ah! Just cut the tape. Don't cut the box. So we have this. I should be on ER. Or should I not? Thomas Comes to Breakfast. Brand new. And this is the house. It even has the crash tin. Thomas limited edition. 4,515 out of 50,000. And now let's move on to the non-Thomas Wooden Railway Thomas stuff that we got. We got an Erdl Duncan and Erdl Sir Handel. We finally have more Erdls with a grand total of 8. And something that I noticed, this kind of has the opposite problem that the Hit Entertainment Wooden Railway Learning Curve models have. Those ones have too big of a face, but this one has too small of a face. Just like the Coldy. Yeah, there were other ones, but these two were the best quality. Now, we have the Take-Along Sodor Log Loader. I know, such an obscure item that was never in the series. Some of those non-canon. Yeah. Am I the one that just really likes those non-canon take-along models and wooden railway models? Yeah. See, look, it has this thing. If you just tip it over, it'll fall out. And last but not least, we have Neville's Tender. I know what you're thinking. Hey, Sean, why did you get Neville's Tender? Because I had this Neville. We've had this for years, and we've lost the tender like more years ago. And now we finally have the complete Neville. Now we only need Edward, Henry, Gordon, Mike, and Donald's tender. We also got these pins. We have a big boy, Union Pacific 4014. This one, which is just a regular train, and this is Aaron's. Yeah, it looks really cool. And we also have this, because we don't have any female to female track adapters. We only have 4 male to males. So yeah, that was the 50th Amherst train show, and I hope I can go next year and get more stuff, and hopefully not spend as much, but probably will. Hopefully I'll have $90 again. Also, there's a guy selling lots of obscure, probably like customly printed, not fully made, licensed, not fully licensed. And I chose Deadpool, and there was like Ronald McDonald and Peppa Pig minifigures. Hey, y'all watching YouTube, you better subscribe. Yeah, I know I'm in a YouTube video. Oh, I got claw hands, motherfucker. Alright, so that was the 50th Amherst train show, and fun story. We actually used to go to this every year, but for some reason after 2013, like, we stopped going. Maybe, like, because stuff got in the way. We usually went with the same people that gave us that. So, yeah, that was all of it, and, yeah, hope we can, yeah. So